We're down at the delivery alternatives. So here you have the option to go in and alter the title, the short description. You can add an icon. You can even specify which notification option is available for the specific delivery alternative. As you see here, the Post Denmark doesn't have the SMS services, but the TNT does have it. So it's possible for you to alter that inside Sitecore. You even have, through the provider, you can also add different amounts. That can be a specific amount regarding the specific order you are dealing with. So it's possible for you to add an amount from the provider. How much would it cost for you to send this specific order with the Post Denmark delivery alternative, or how much would it cost for FedEx or TNT? That is a possibility you have with the provider. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to specify that I'm going to send it with, be notified with email. I come to the payment page. The same applies here, that you can alter this inside Sitecore. Under the, here you have a payment method option where you specify a title and a short description, an icon, and also a code. This code is sent with the provider and it's created with the order inside Sitecore or with your external ERP system. Inside Sitecore you have different options here. You can choose that it's an online payment method. In that case, it would make use of a post to a web service with a payment provider, online payment provider, or you could just make it an offline payment method. In that case, it wouldn't post to anything. It would just do some simple actions. The actions is performed by an offline payment provider interface. So you can implement your own handler for this. And in this case, it just adds a preset fee for that kind of checking account and adds that to the order. But in the money transfer, nothing is done, so it's empty. This is the option you have. In this case, another great thing about the payment page is that you can enrich orders. You can set up what kind of information is shown on this confirmation page. In this case, we're just showing billing informations and shipping address so that the end user can confirm that these informations are correct. But if you for some reason would like to add some other information, let's say you had added a specific field in the name and address and you wanted to show it here to allow the end user to confirm it. I'll show you how you can do this in the module. Under functions you have under the checkout process. I'm just going to go to the payment page. Under the payment page there's a child called order sections. Order sections is the configuration alternative or the configurations for this specific view of order details. You see here you have one called billing info and shipping info. That corresponds to this box and this box. So what you have is that you can specify different sections here. You can even specify if it's a 1-column, 2-column, or 3-column view of this. You can add extra rows if you want. For example, a 3-column row, you can do that. And you can also add which kind of information from the order you want to display. You can provide a title, which is only specified here, or you can get it from the dictionary of predefined dictionaries entries. And here you can specify from which field on the order you want to get the information from. Here you have the order object, which shows you, I'm just gonna have to press it correctly. In this information you can get the phone from the specific user that is logged in. You can get the order information, the metadata, like tracking number, delivery option, and so forth. And you can add that in which order you like. You also have the option to show the label in front of the value, and for each sections you have the option to show a specific label column, which would allow it to show the labels in one column and show the values in another one. So these are preset information that you can provide for each section. As you see here, if I'm just going to confirm this order, you'll see that the order now is enriched with other information. Now you have company information as well, and you also have order info. So this is really the basic, this the same principle that applies to the other way. Here you have only one row with billing info and shipping info. Now we have two rows with another row with order info and company info. It's possible for you to, out of the box, add two rows with up to 3 sections in each. So you can have 6 sections here with infos, and you can really decide how it's displayed as well. The same here applies to the mail that is sent with the order confirmation. It says here that an email with the order confirmation has been sent to your email. So the same setup is also implemented in the mail that you receive. So this gives you a great possibility to alter how the specific checkout process and the order details is displayed on the website. It's also nice to note that it's not only an email is sent to the customer, the end user that orders the specific order, but an email is also sent to the administrator, which you also specified inside Sitecore. Okay, this in this case I can when the user has pressed the confirmation button, an order is created inside Sitecore. This is done through the provider, and that is another chapter and another video to look at how the provider works. But I'm just going to touch it in a hurry here. It's important that you note that everything in the module is handled through providers. This means that when we create an order here, we call a method inside on a provider, create order, which you can extend or switch out if you like that. As a default, every order is created inside Sitecore. And inside the business catalog, you have a node here called orders, and under here, every order is created. It's created by its order number, and here all the information is pre-filled with the order date, the order number, which kind of which kind of product is added to the order, and all this information is available through the search page on the orders. Here you can search through which orders it has arrived into the system. Good, this was all that this video had. Please review www.sitecoreecommerce.com for more videos. Thank you.